Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so in this video I'll be unboxing my new Honor 9X. So I've just picked it up from Argos UK. It's currently selling for £220. And this device has some pretty decent specs. It's a mid-range device. Okay, so it's got 4 gigs of RAM. This is the 128 gigabyte model in midnight black. So it's got 4 gigs of RAM, and the build is glass front, glass back. Also has an aluminium frame, 6.59-inch display, 1080p, 391 ppi density, and it's running Android 9.0 Pie, EMUI 9.1, and it has the Kirin 710F processor, and the GPU is a Mali G5 1 MP4. So yeah, I'll just be unboxing this bad boy. So here's my knife. Okay, wait a minute. It's a bit dark. Let me see if I can put the light on. Okay, yeah, that's a bit better. So yeah, let's just cut the seal. It also has, yeah, it's 128 gigs, yeah. I think I mentioned that already. So here's the device on top. Sorry about that, guys, I'm catching the flu. Okay, so on a 9X, 6.59-inch full view display, 48 megapixel triple camera, 4000 milliamp hour battery, 128 gigabyte RAM. Okay, so let's take off the plastic. Here goes. 1, 2, 3. I like the sound of that. So yeah, 48 megapixel triple camera there on the back with LED flash, fingerprint reader there on a branding, and the build quality is glass on the back and also glass on the front, and it has a metal frame going around the edge there. SIM card slot, there it is. That's the SIM card slot, and there's the front facing pop-up camera. This is a mechanical motorized camera. Volume rocker here on the side, volume up and down, also the power button, and the speaker grill there underneath, USB type C, and also it has a headphone jack as well. Okay, let's see what else comes in the box. Okay, so SIM ejector tool on a booklet, warranty card, and wow, wow, we get a case. So it's nice that they've provided a case for us. So fresh out of the box, I can already start to protect the device until I can buy a better case. Okay, so USB type C cable, and the 3-pin charger, and also we get a pair of headphones. They're not the best, but it's nice that they've included it. So I'm just gonna see if there's any juice in the phone, so let's try power it on. Okay, so there's some juice. Okay, so there's no sound to the boot screen. It's silent. Okay, so let's go ahead and set this up. So get started. United Kingdom. Skip. Next. Okay, let me just connect to the Wi-Fi real quick. Okay, let's go ahead and skip that. No, don't want to install any of these applications. That's all bloatware. Okay, so I finished setting up the device. So I'm just gonna go into the settings and see if it's running Android 10. This device has been out for a couple of months, so maybe the Android 10 update has been installed. Nope. It's running Android version 9, EMUI version 9.1, 4 gigs of RAM, and the CPU, like I mentioned before, the HiSilicon Kirin 710F. Let's see if there's any updates. Hopefully the Android 10 update is available. Nope. Okay, so I just want to say the screen looks really amazing. I'm not gonna lie, it's nice and bright and vibrant, and the viewing angles are really good. As you can see, no matter which way I turn and tilt the device, you can still see the screen and the applications. Okay, so let's have a look at the pre-installed applications. So as you can see, there's not much bloat. We've got this optimizer app, themes, music, video, the usual Google applications, Play Store, settings, gallery, HiCare, app gallery, files, health, browser, clock, calendar, email, notepad, on a store. So I'm guessing you can download some more applications, the Honor specific applications from the Honor store. Most likely your themes and those type of things, wallpapers. We've got tips, party mode. Got a tools folder here with contacts, weather, calculator, recorder, FM radio. So this device does have FM radio. Compass, sorry I could barely pronounce that. Backup, phone clone, downloads, SIM toolkit, and you can add some more applications to the folder, I'm guessing. And we also have this booking.com application as well. What was I going? Oh yeah, let me check out the front-facing camera. So this is the mechanical motorized front-facing cam. Let me just turn it on. Hello. Come in a bit closer so you can see it. Listen to the sound of it, guys. It's really cool. So yeah, this was just my unboxing video of the Honor 9X. I will be banging out some more videos on this device, so stay tuned. Let me know if you've got this device. Let me know if you're thinking of getting it. It's a really good mid-range device for £220. This device should be able to handle anything. So it should be able to run any games. You shouldn't really have any lag or anything like that. It's a really good device for the price. So if you're thinking of getting it, let me know in the comment section down below. Like I said, stay tuned. I will be banging out some more videos on this device. Thanks for watching. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. See you in the next video. Deuces.